Oh, buddy, I'm really gonna do it this time. Look how well that fits in there. What is up with that? Anyway. Okay, I figured it out. And basically we're gonna try again. We're just gonna do it again. Okay, we got the basket. Maybe. There we go. Get basket. Wait! See, this is where I screwed up last time. Okay, there's definitely going to be no tricks here, no nasty secrets. I can just stick this on and it's going to be fine. I'm not missing any fasteners or shims or plates or anything. There is a shim washer that goes here. Meth head who had the bike left it out. I actually found some dimensions online for that washer, and I'm into CNC. No, not that kind. So I made some instead of paying $16.50 and waiting weeks and weeks because they're probably back ordered. Probably. I trusted what the internet said. That sure looks like it goes there, eh? And now the hub. No more scrapey, grindy. We got our bend it washer and our nut. Okay, I rattled it and then I bent the bend it. Bend your bend it washers. Don't be lazy, bend your bend its. Oh yeah, I know I'm on the right track because I put my first friction in and it lines up with the wear marks. Steel, friction, steel, friction, steel. You'll never guess. Friction, steel, friction, steel, friction, steel. And one burnt friction from the other clutch because this clutch was missing one for some reason. Little push rod, little Torrington bearing, another washer, and the pressure plate. Am I gonna get it on the first go? Okay, there's a dot there. I'm just gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it. Hey, that's the ticket. Now, the singular thing that was like kept remotely organized was there's some springs and some bolts in a bag. This has got to be these. Oh boy, these are tall springs. I hope this is right. Okay, I think I said there were 6 springs and 6 bolts. I lied. There was also a big snap ring and one of the case bolts. If I strip any of these 6 threads, I have to buy a Yoyodyne, and I suspect the engine knows that. What's the torque spec on these anyway? I'm supposed to run these all the way down, right? That seems like way too much. I almost forgot to put the circlip on the oil pump gear. I'm gonna get that. Okay, there we go. Man, that was about that close to adding the 3rd explosion to this bike's life. Okay, the cover can actually go on now. Everything's done. Don't mind the gasket surface. It's fine. So I stopped, backtracked, pulled the water pump. We're missing an O-ring. I don't have one of those. I'm stuck. This stuck me. I love progress. I might actually have one in here that'll work. It's the biggest one in the set, and I'm gonna make it work. Okay, we're going on now. Water pump gear. That was fun, getting it to mesh with the crank gear. I don't have enough bolts though. I need to go get some bolts. I got bolts outside. It's dark, but I'm gonna go get bolts. Yes, here we are. My case bolts. They are stuck in an engine. Give bolts. Give. There, I got some bolts. I'm gonna rattle them in now. So, case bolts and cover bolts are slightly different animals, as it turns out. So, I have a good number of bolts, but I can't fill the holes in the case. On the bright side, one of these universal Amazon bolts looks right at home as the water pump drain. So yeah, I guess I'm done for now. So I'm out of bolts. and those are important for making it like seal. They're particular like type of bolt. They've got like a tiny little flanged head, and they're very particular, and I don't have any more, and I need more, and they're metric. The metric's a little tough to, yeah, anyway, it's 4 a.m. and I've still got some NOS left, and I haven't been to bed yet, so this has been fun. Subscribe.